such a beautiful day in London today, and you know when it's this nice, the weather's this nice, you just can't let these days go to waste. So we're heading into central London. We were just going to get a little Joe and Juice, but we do need some hand wash for the house as well, from AESOP. So I think we might go into AESOP and just buy it in store instead of ordering it online. And then also my partner's had his eye on this hand sanitising spray that he's seen quite a few people using, so we might just check that out and see if it's any good. I just get an oat vanilla matcha latte and then just the crisp, please. Daddy's gone back in to get it for you, baby. Is the sandwich going on you? It's a bit juicy, isn't it? If you've got you some juice, so do you want your juice? I'll leave it in the bag then. I'm going to eat your crisps if you're not eating them. I've had an obsession recently with these crisps. They're probably not the best thing in the world. They're just such a delicious little snack. It's so nice. Like, I could just sit in Primrose Hill all day, people watching, because the people are just so interesting. Oh, I think she said the sandwich is going on her top.
Oh, this?
Oh, it's not too bad though. Oh. You like it? Mandelson. There's no paparazzis there today though.
Sounds melodic and rap with the block or spot. I be that potent product. Now get a load of me, flashy. The block needs some hallelujah. When she come to something, I go.
You know the bookshop, don't you, Beth? Okay, so we actually had quite a successful shopping trip. So I thought I'd just quickly show you exactly what we got. So first of all, we went to AESOP, and my partner did actually manage to find his little hand sanitising spray, which I actually got 2 of. This is the hand sanitizer. You want to go to Morrison's? What for? She said she wants to go to Morrison's. It's actually really, really nice. It smells like orange, actually. Oh, I didn't get to try it properly in the shop because he was talking to them. Oh, that smells amazing, doesn't it? Do you want to smell it? It smells like oranges, doesn't it? What does it smell like?
Pooey.
Pooey? It's not pooey, it's beautiful. I think it smells like orange, no? And then we've got another hand wash. We've got this one. We actually really like the one with the little scrubby bits in it. I know everyone normally gets the basic one. I don't know what it's called. But I thought Daddy, oh yeah, he got 2 of them. So I think we'll just keep one in the car. So then we just went to Le Labo, and we've got their diffuser at home. But when Capri was really small, she pulled it over and broke the little bulb bit in the diffuser. So we just got the new bulb for the diffuser, which was actually £40, which I think is quite outrageous. But then my partner, I didn't realise he was saying the diffuser when he bought it was actually £500. I was like, that is bloody outrageous. So no wonder the replacement is £40. And then we went to Daunt Books, which is Capri's favourite shop on earth, and I wanted, because I've got a list basically of books that I really want to get her, which are like classic ones, but obviously her dad's like, just get her what she likes. So this is what we got. So there's this one, which I know this author. I think we've got a book with them. I think this is the author that does the Garofalo ones. It does actually look like a really good book. It's a flip-flap one, so I think it'll be good. I mean, she knows most of her animals anyway, but I think it'll be quite a fun, engaging one to read at night time. And then, yes, you got a bus one, didn't you? Is it Peppa Pig bus one? Okay, get home first and then we read it. Can I show them your Peppa Pig one? Okay. She's let me take the Peppa Pig bus one, but this is what it looks like. We didn't actually get to see inside it, so I have no idea, but...
Can I take off shoes off?
Oh yeah, she did take her shoes off. So when we had to pay for the Peppa Pig bus one, we almost had a tantrum on our hands because the lady asked to take it so she could scan it to pay, and she gave it to her, then sat on the floor, took her shoes off, and we thought there was a tantrum coming. But luckily you got it back just in time, didn't you?
You do it so sweet.
Oh, you are so sweet sometimes. Okay, so that's everything we got, which I think is quite a successful shopping trip for a last minute outing. So yeah, going home now to start cooking. Luckily I seasoned the chicken yesterday, so I don't have to do too much.
Let's go play. Cry.
Mummy's